Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see who liked your post on Instagram. So if I go for my profile and choose a post and go in this like option, click on this five others or others, and now you can see all of the people who liked your post. You can see the list. I have just 6 likes here. So this is how you can see who liked your post on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If you did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.